What's up, YouTube? I want to do something fun today. I'm going to change out the taillight of my 2015 GMC Yukon. Right over here. See? I'm going to change down the driver's side. Press the button. Nothing. See that? That's what it's supposed to do. So, first off, I went and got a quote from a dealership, which is the worst possible thing you could do. Let me show you the pricing that they gave me. Look at that. $802. Ridiculous. See? Taillight assembly. $723. $32 to install. I went on eBay, found mine for $3.99, free shipping. Got that from, let's see. Look at that. Paid for $3.99 with a credit card. 2015 to 2017 GMC Yukon. I bought it from Car Parts Wholesale on eBay. So you do the math. Would you rather pay $802, a little over $800, or do you want to pay right under $400? Three clips. One here, one there. Oh, there you go. That's one way to do it. Then you got a torque screw here, up at the top. Don't make fun of my rig tools. It's fine if you do, I don't care. Gets the job done. Now that you've got those two bolts out, here and here, you have a bolt, well, two little clips right here and right here. So you kind of have to do a lot of wiggling around. That comes out. The wire is going to go down here, so you actually want to kind of leave it up. Then we're going to want to get down underneath. And right here, the wire is actually on a little clip. You want to pop it off. It just slides. And then this little red piece. Oh, I won't need my gloves off for that. Push up a little clip for it. Foliage apart. Get it in. You just feed the wire down there, line up the two bolts, Right there, right there. Slide it back in. Attach those screws. Put this cover piece back on. Get those 3 clips. If I can figure it out. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Do one final test from back here. You guys let me know if it worked.